So in this video we're going to talk about comments in Python. So in Python we do the commenting using hash. So we write the hash and then we can write comment in that line. That means the Python interpreter will ignore this line of code. So it will not execute this line of code. Similarly, if we wanted to do multi-line commands, so in Python we just use the same hash for the second line also, and we can do the commenting. So in Python there is nothing specially designed for multi-line comment. We use the same hash for the multi-line comment also, but some developers might use the docstrings for multi-line comments. So docstrings are basically 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes, and we can use that for multi-line comment. So the docstrings means documentation strings. So these are basically meant for documentation, but also we can use that for multi-line comment, but it is not recommended. We should always go for this hash for single line and for multi-line comment. But the question is, why should we need comments in Python? So commenting is always a good idea and recommended while coding. So first of all, comments will help to understand the code, especially if we have some large project with multiple files. So in that case, the comments will help understand the code. And secondly, the comments can be very useful for the author also. So initially the author will understand the code, but at a later time the author can forget about the code or the purpose of the code. So in that point in time, the comments can be very crucial for the author to understand the code and also make useful changes to the code. And thirdly, if a team is working on a project, then comments can be very useful for the whole team to understand the code. So commenting is always a good practice while coding, and the proper use of comment can improve the code readability and maintainability. So hope you understand about comments in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.